How you doing, folks? Back again for a bit of DXing at one of my local spots. A bit busy up here today. It's a Saturday morning, but there we are. What can you do about it? Now, I thought I'd show you a little bit of equipment I've acquired over the last few weeks. Haven't had a chance to use it much, but have today. And it's a new drive-on mast holder I've got. So let me show you. Now, I know some of you have been quite interested in what I've been using to prop up the old fiberglass poles I use. I'm using a DX Commander 10 meter pole with a couple of sections missing at the top, and that's currently holding quite easily a end-fed half-wave, trapped end-fed half-wave for 15 and 20, which I featured before. Now, to the business in hand, here it is. It's a nice little drive-on little mast here, a mast holder, pretty sturdy as you can see. It's made by Main Masts, if I get the details there, from 2I0IDJ, and that's Kieran. Now the marks here you can see, don't be put off by that. I left this in packaging for weeks, couple of months actually, and the polystyrene sort of has attached itself to the metal, but I don't give a monkeys about that, to be honest. It's going to be out in all weathers anyway. Pretty well built, quite happy with it. And it seems to do the job pretty well. First outing today, it all seems pretty solid and sturdy. This Kieran, I think, can make it so it'll hold 12 meter poles and with larger diameters than its 10 meter one. You can see it's absolutely rock solid. So very happy with this, and I'll put a link to his Facebook group in the description below. Okay, so that's Main Masts, and I think he's got a telephone number on there as well. So I'm not doing this purely to advertise his stuff, but I thought I'd show you it. I'm a paying customer, by the way. It's not been given gratis. I'm not scratching backs here, just showing you my initial thoughts, and they're pretty good. The reason why I got it is because the other one I used to have from Sota Beams was one that was a I'm going with me, but you still go up to about here, but not very high. And of course it's all right when it's holding maybe this sort of pole, but when you want to use a chunky 12 meter fiberglass pole like a Spider Beam or a 12.4 DX Commander, or there's other ones as well, but excuse the background noise, but I've got my radio on. But basically that's going to struggle, and it's a very weak point. If you're just holding it down here, it's going to go. So you've got this, you've got the other bit here, so you've got extra support which should hold it pretty well. Of course you might want to guy it as well, of course, for extra rigidity, but no, very good and very happy. You can see how it holds it up here. There's the pole, and there's the system. So overall I'm pretty happy with the setup now. So cheers and a thumbs up, Kieran, for a very, very durable looking drive-on mast holder that hopefully will give me plenty of years service. There we are, just a quick one then to show you my my setup and how I keep everything upright in the field. Catch you again, there's some more videos coming up, and if you fancy subscribing, you know what to do. 7-3 from the south coast of the UK. Bye for now.